Hey guys, welcome back to Spot Aria channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to turn off browsing history on Amazon for Android. And for that I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the started. First we go to the Amazon application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Amazon apps. And after that you can go to the profile symbol in the below, and let's go to your account here and your browsing history. Click on your browsing history and click on the minutes in the upper of the right corner. Okay, there you can see there is have a turn history on or off. Turning off your recently viewed item will remove them from view. You can tap and it's make your turn off your history. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to turn off browsing history on Amazon for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.